It doesn't speak, but it tells a story. It leaves no shadow, yet lingers longer than memory. It can't be seen, but it can define who we are. One drop of it can make us fall in love or remember a heartbreak. This is the power of scent. This is perfume. For thousands of years, humanity has bottled the intangible. Fragrance has seduced queens, started wars, marked royalty, and survived plagues. But what exactly is perfume? How did it evolve from sacred smoke to luxury spray? Today on Made and Remade, we trace the invisible thread of time through the history of scent. Long before perfume was sprayed from glass bottles in golden boutiques, it rose as smoke, literally. The word perfume comes from the Latin perfumum, through smoke. The earliest forms weren't liquid, but incense. In ancient Mesopotamia, as early as 4,000 years ago, humans burned precious woods and resins to please the gods. Fragrance wasn't for personal vanity, it was spiritual, divine, holy. In the temples of Egypt, priests perfumed statues of gods with myrrh, frankincense, and sacred oils. Cleopatra's perfume wasn't just for seduction, it was strategy. Her sails were said to be soaked in fragrance, leaving a trail of scent long before her ship arrived. Smell became power, an aura that preceded your presence and lingered after you left. But it wasn't only royalty. In India, Ayurvedic texts described fragrant oils used for healing. In China, scent marked scholarly rituals, and in the Islamic world, alchemists refined distillation, giving rise to the modern art of perfumery. Fragrance wasn't just made, it was crafted, distilled, perfected, and it traveled along trade routes across empires through cultures, a silent messenger of luxury, identity, and status. As fragrance evolved, so did its value. By the 17th century, European nobility wore scent like armor, because bathing was rare and the streets of Paris smelled medieval. Perfume masked the stench of cities and people. But the real twist came with a substance as strange as it was valuable: ambergris. Yes, the most prized perfumes in history were made from the hardened intestines of whales. Ambergris is a waxy substance formed in the digestive system of sperm whales, and when aged, it smells sweet, earthy, almost divine. Rare, hard to find, and once worth more than gold by weight. Kings collected it, perfumers coveted it, pirates hunted it. This strange material made perfumes last longer, made them richer, and for centuries, the noses of the world craved it. Other animal ingredients joined the mix: musk from deer glands, civet from wildcats, castoreum from beavers. Luxury, it seemed, was born in the wild. But fragrance wasn't just about ingredients. It was about chemistry. The 19th century brought synthetic molecules. No longer bound by nature, perfumers began recreating rare scents in labs. Ambergris? Now lab-made. Musk? Duplicated. Suddenly, perfume wasn't just for royalty, it was for anyone. This democratization of scent changed everything. Today, perfume is a $50 billion industry. It's art, science, identity, and big business. In Grasse, France, the perfume capital of the world, fields of jasmine and rose still bloom every spring. Flowers handpicked at dawn, distilled into essence before the sun sets. Craftsmanship is alive, but now it's merged with global luxury. Designer brands dominate the shelves. From Chanel No. 5 to Dior Sauvage, a bottle isn't just scent, it's status. Marketing shapes perception. Celebrity lines sell emotions. Scents are packaged stories. But while mainstream perfumes are mass-produced, a new wave rises beneath: niche perfumery. Artisans crafting bold, personal, sometimes bizarre scents. Notes of rain on asphalt, old libraries, even ink and burnt sugar. A rebellion against generic, a return to storytelling through smell. And technology has taken scent even further. AI-designed perfumes, digital scent profiles, even virtual reality enhanced by fragrance. Perfume, once sacred smoke, is now both memory and machine. We remember through scent: a childhood room, a lost lover, a summer by the sea. Perfume bottles sit on dressers, not just as tools of beauty, but as time machines. One spray, and we're transported. Perfume has survived empires, shaped identities, and followed us into the digital age. It is invisible, yet unforgettable. From the smoke of ancient temples to the chemistry of tomorrow, scent remains one of humanity's oldest obsessions. It is transformation, of matter into memory, of moment into eternity. This is Perfume, made and remade. Next time on Made and Remade, we uncover the story of a household hero you probably never think about. It saved millions of hours of human labor, but was once powered by dogs on treadmills. Yes, dogs. We're diving deep into the strange, powerful history of the washing machine. Until then, check the link in the description for all sources and comment below what object you want us to explore next. Because everything in your life was made and remade.